Hi, welcome back. So, in the previous video, I gave you two exercises, right? So, let's give the solution for the two exercises. So, first one is like I said you to get two input from the user, like two number from the user, and then try to add the two number and put the sum as output to the user. Okay. So, let's try to do that first. So, enter the number. Let me assign this to the variable x. Okay, so input you can specify the print statement, right? Like you can specify whatever you want to print inside that input function is. For example, you can specify like this: input, enter the second number. This is also fine. Okay, after that you can use another variable that is equal to x plus y. Okay, so you can just print sum of x. We can use this fancier formatting, right, what we discussed in the previous session. X and y is z. Okay, so let me try to execute this one. I just want to add one more thing here. Yeah, I think this will be fine. Let me execute this and giving first number as 10, and I'm going to give second number as 20. So any guess what should be the output for this 10 and 20? If you guessed it as 30, then you are wrong. I will show what is the output and I will explain. Okay. See, the output is 10, 20, it's not 30. I hope you understand why this is printed, right? See, the default return type, right? Return type of the input function is going to be string. Okay, so if you add integer 10 and 20, you will get as 30, but if you add 10, this is string, right? 10 and 20, it will concatenate, it will not add. So that is the reason for this one. So if you, to be more clear, if you print, if you get the type of argument, the variable x, it is going to be string and y is going to be string. So how to achieve the addition instead of the concatenation? You just need to typecast. We already discussed about typecasting, right? So just do the typecasting. So x is in string format, so I want to typecast it to int, and similarly I want to typecast y to int. So if I execute it now, let me give 10, 20, see, the output is 30. So the typecasting is the trick here. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So this is the solution for the exercise 1, and let me look into the exercise 2. So get the usage of print and input function. So I already told you about some example in Linux, right? So there we have some command called man. So if we give man space ls, then it will give the details about the ls command, like what is the purpose and how many arguments it can take. So in Python also we have some function for that to get details about a particular function. So the function is going to be help. So if you give help input, so this is the detail about the input function. So it take prompt as the input and it write it return something whatever the user input, right? So this rises whenever it encounter any exception, so it rises this exception, this error. These are the details you can get. Similarly, I can give help print. So this is the detail about the print function. So these are all the arguments it take, and these are all the explanation about each argument. What is separator, what is end, what is file, what is plus. So we already discussed about each and every argument. So whatever your argument you want to, you can give, right? It will display the more details about that particular input. I mean the help function. Okay, so I think we have seen the solution for these two exercises. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. We will meet in the next session. Yeah, thank you.